Hi, I'm Dr. Leonetti. Grounding is very important to me. It helps to discharge negative ions in your body. And I'm going to show you an easy way to do this in your shoes so you can be grounding even while you're wearing shoes. I found these online. They're the Ion Sync. They're plugs that you put through your shoe, through a hole in this. Really easy to install. Now, I wear 0 drops all the time, so this is going to be really simple with these. Basically, we're going to take the shoe. We have the mount here. We need a hammer, and we have a hole punch. So what we want to do is just find a spot right in this area. The shoe right on there. Find some place where it's not going to irritate your foot. So right in that middle where it doesn't have a lot of traffic, but enough that they can make contact with the ground. Give it a couple of little taps here. And we have to get through the shoe and the insole. And just like that, we are punched through. And then what we do is we just take one of these plugs, and you can see the hole right down through there. We just pull the plug right through there, grab a set of pliers, just kind of give it a little pull until that plug locks in. It's got a little head that'll just fit right in there, right into place. Just a little bit more. Once we get it pulled in there, just check the fit on the inside. You can see that's where the foot's gonna go, right on the inside. We'll just take the snipping end of the pliers, just leave a little extra so it can wear down. Snip that off, and you can see that little dark part that is kind of mesh. So when you walk, we'll connect in with the ground, and you'll be grounding with every step.